Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Roblox account. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Roblox, and first thing first, we need to go to the more option, and we're going to select the Roblox setting. Then select the privacy and content restriction. Okay, hold on. Alright, and then after you opened the privacy and content restrictions, you will see account deactivation and deletion. And here you will be able to deactivate your account. And don't worry guys, deactivating your account won't remove your account forever. Deactivating your account is reversible. While deactivated, your profile will be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox. And you can reactivate it. If you want to reactivate it, just log into Roblox and your account will be back. Okay guys, and that's how we can deactivate account on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!